This carbocation is two types. One is classical and non-classical. Classical carbocation, non-classical carbocation. What is the main difference? See in the figure, this carbocation is hybridization is sp2 hybridization. How many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. This is the vacant orbital. So hybridization is sp2. Here there is no delocalization. But in the non-classical carbocation, see here pi bond, this positive charge is sharing by adjacent carbons. So this type of carbocation is known as non-classical carbocation. Non-classical carbocation, classical carbocation. The main difference is here the positive charge is sharing by adjacent carbons. Okay, here in the classical there is no sharing the positive charge. See the main difference you can see here. Definition: classical carbocations is an anion containing a positively charged carbon. Classical carbocation is an ion containing positively charged carbon atom which has 6 electrons that take part in 3 chemical bonds. In non-classical carbocation is an ion containing a positively charged carbon in a 3-centered 2-electron bond. 3-centered 2-electron bond means like this, 3 carbons are there. Bond means actually 2 electrons hona chahiye, but here only 1 electron is there. Okay, the same thing you will observe in the B2H6 diborane structure also. Diborane, one more is there. Okay, 3-centered 2-electron bond, this is called. Why you can see here in the figure, here number of electrons are very less. See here, this 1 atom, 2 atoms, 3 atoms. Okay, 3-centered 2-electron bonds. Here only 1 electron is there. Okay, this right side and left side. So in between 1, 2, 3, here 1 electron, here also 1 electron. So if you take like this, 3-centered 2-electron bonds. Next, delocalization. Electrons are not delocalized in case of classical. In case of non-classical, electrons are delocalized. That's sharing. Delocalizing means shifting, we can say. Bonding. 3 coordinate bonds around positively charged carbocation. 2 electrons are shared between 3 atoms. Example: methanium ion and 2-narboryl ion. 2-narboryl ion. So this is the main 2 types of carbocations. Now, stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation is the effect. Stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation affected by plus I, plus M and hyperconjugation. 3, 1, 2, 3. See that differences. One example I will take you. CH3, CH2 plus, CH2, CH2 plus. Okay. Now CH2 double bond CH, CH2 plus. See here which effect is there here. In the first case, option A and option B. in the option A, it is only inductive effect, right? Now here mesomeric effect is there, alpha position, alternative position. Yes, this is called alpha carbon. So alternative position is there with pi bond and positive charge. So plus mesomeric effect is there. So which is more stable? Obviously A and B B will be more stable. So plus mesomeric effect is stronger effect than plus inductive effect. Okay, then hyperconjugation. So now this ortho position methyl acting as plus inductive as well as hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation means there is no plus minus, only hyperconjugation is there. Here it is acting as only plus inductive. Here plus inductive and hyperconjugation, right? Why it is meta position may already we discussed in the inductive effect, mesomeric effect. Why the meta position is acting only plus I, right? So this hyperconjugation is also like mesomeric effect. It is also like mesomeric effect. Okay, that's why this first one is more stable than second one, then third one. Okay, hyperconjugation में क्या होता है generally? Hydrogen is like this bond is shifted, then this bond is shifting here. This is the hyperconjugation, right? Here hyperconjugation, this is also same, hydrogen shifting like this, it is shifting like this, then here it's going. So this hyperconjugation, it's not depends on the distance. Hyperconjugation is not depend on the distance. Even mesomeric effect also not depends on the distance, not decrease by distance. Distance से decrease नहीं होता है, but inductive effect will be changing. So here more inductive effect in the first case, second case less inductive, third case least inductive. Inductive में बहुत कम है, लेकिन mesomeric effect is more. So mesomeric effect or hyperconjugation is more. That's why the third one is, sorry, what I written here, 1 2 3 is more stable than 2. Yes, 1 3 2, because here plus I plus HC, only plus I and hyperconjugation. In the hyperconjugation there is no plus. Next, which is the more stable carbocation? You can see here cyclopropyl methyl carbocation. Cyclopropyl methyl carbocation. This is the more stable carbocation. It is also known as, because it has resonance. What is this resonance? This resonance is known as dancing resonance. Dancing resonance. Why it is undergoing resonance? See here, the cyclopropane, the bond angle is 60 degrees. So more strain is there, more strain. Why more strain? Actually होना चाहिए stable के लिए 109.5 degrees होना चाहिए. It is a stable, वो tetrahedral में रहता है, right? But here 60 degrees. How much variation is there? So much, 40 plus, approximately 50. So 50 degrees variation means more strain is there. So these are bending with more strain. So if there any choice is there, those are ready to cleave this bond. So here overlapping. Whenever this one side, these orbital is overlapping, so here forming the double bond. Then this is getting carbocation, right? So this orbital is connecting with this orbital forming pi bond. Okay, then this carbon is getting, I am giving the numbering here, 1 2 3 4. So in between 1 and 2 is bond forming the fourth carbon getting empty orbital, carbocation. Suppose bond cleavage left side भी हो सकता है. If these orbitals are overlapping, then here 1 and 2 pi bond is there, 1 and 2 pi bond is there. Then third carbon getting, this is the third carbon, means in the previous structure. Okay, so this third carbon getting positive charge. So these are the called dancing resonance. Okay, due to this dancing resonance, this is a highly stable. Then if you see the remaining all carbocation stabilities order, cyclopropyl carbocation is highly stable. Then aromatic, here C, this is the first of all aromatic, that's why more stable. Then two sides conjugation is there from this pi bond and here also, this one also, right? Next benzyl, then allyl, allyl में like this it can get stability. Then no resonance, here normal, it is a hyperconjugation and inductive के वजह से stable होता है. So tertiary carbocation, then secondary, primary, primary least methyl, मिथाइल से कम है विनाइल. विनाइल क्या होता है? CH2, this carbon, it is sp2 hybridized, this one is sp hybridized. So sp is more electronegative atom with positive charge, unstable, more electronegative atom with positive charge, unstable. That's why compared to methyl, vinyl is less. Vinyl, I can write here structure CH double bond CH2, right? Then sp hybridized carbon, then this carbon, it is also sp hybridized. So here steric strain also is there, sorry, bond angle strain also is there. So phenyl, this is the phenyl carbocation is least stable. Highest is cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, least stable is phenyl carbocation. Okay, hybridization तो sp होगा, right? Next, how these carbocations are forming. Now topic is the formation of carbocation. Generation of carbocation by the direct ionization. Okay, homolytic cleavage and heterolytic cleavage we learned in the last classes. So Cl is there. If two electrons are shifting, of course here more electronegative atom, more electronegative, that's why electron will be shifting towards any one more electronegative atom side. So chlorine getting negative charge, carbon getting positive charge. So it's happened like this. Next, same procedure. Next one is by protonation of unsaturated compound. Protonation of unsaturated, like alkene is there. In the alkene, if H plus is attacking any one of the side, then this pi bond shifted to this hydrogen side, then this carbon getting positive charge, you can see here. Okay, not only the alkene, even in the carbonyl also. Carbonyl is there. Here H plus is there. H plus means vacant orbital, right? Electron higher to lower is going. Then oxygen getting positive charge. Immediately this pi bond is shifted to oxygen. So finally conclusion क्या है? OH is forming here carbocation. Okay. So next again protonation takes place whenever lone pair electron density ज़्यादा है. There protonation takes place in alkene, alcohol, amines, like this. Next, by the protonation of lone pair of electrons. Protonation of lone pair. Why? Same mechanism is same. Alcohol maybe, but here elimination is there. Protonation of carbocation, here just only protonation. In unsaturation, here protonation of lone pair of electrons. After that, elimination is there. Okay, so RCH2OH, process is same. Empty orbital is there. H plus means here this electron pair donating to hydrogen. So CH2, this oxygen getting positive charge. Oxygen getting more electronegative with positive charge is unstable. So immediately this bond is cleavage. Then RCH2 plus, like this. You can see here. Next, it is applicable for alcohols, ethers, esters. Ester, ether, alcohols, like this. Next, by electrophilic attack on alkyl halide or acyl halide, electrophile attacking. So AlCl3 mechanism is similar. AlCl3 structure is, this is the AlCl3. Total how many electrons? Only 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 electrons. For octet, 2 electron deficient. So it is ready to take the electrons. So here lone pair is there. This aluminum chloride has one vacant orbital. It is taking electrons. So it is new bond formation is there. So immediately chlorine getting positive charge. So more electronegative with positive charge unstable. Immediately this sigma bond is shifted to chlorine. बस अभी तो क्या हो गया, ये कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट बन गया, right? This is one of the process. Next, same acyl chloride. So these two reactions we will use in the alkylation and acylation in the benzene ring. Okay, this AlCl3 is called Friedel-Crafts reagent. Friedel-Crafts reagent. Okay, this Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. There again same mechanism. The purpose of this aluminum chloride is producing electrophile. That electrophile will attack on the benzene. Next, by the decomposition of diazonium salt. Decomposition of diazonium salt. Diazonium salt means Rn2 plus Cl minus. Whenever plus minus is there, generally salt. Right? Here N2 is there. This is diazonium. Diazonium salts. In case of benzene, diazonium chloride little bit more stable compared to aliphatic. It is very unstable. It is stable, but even though by increasing temperature and due to some catalyst, we can remove this N2Cl also. Right. Next, by attack of superacid on alkane. Superacid on alkane. Generally acid, though we know that sulfuric acid is acid or HCl also acid. Okay, acid means H plus is donating. So we know that Ka is directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomery groups. Okay, here minus inductive and minus mesomery groups, minus inductive fluorine is there, so strong acid that is. Okay, that's why already H2SO4 strong acid, super acid now, whenever more electronegative atoms are there. So in that case, see CH3H plus. So this H is taken by these acids. So CH3 CH2 plus, methonium ion is forming. Methonium ion. Okay, this is also classical. You can see one more example here. Here one hydrogen is released. Why it is releasing? Because this acid, strong superacid means H plus is donating. So this H plus and from this H minus, this is releasing as H minus. Here it is H minus. So this H minus and H plus combining and forming hydrogen gas. So here easily, suppose you may get doubt, sir, here A and B, two types are there. This is also A type, this is also A type. So which hydrogen will release? Yes, you can write two. One is you can remove from the terminal, one is from middle. So he removed the hydrogen from middle. So here we are getting tertiary carbocation. Here hydrogen removed from terminal, so primary carbocation. Which is more stable? Obviously tertiary is more stable, because hyperconjugation count kare to 9 hyperconjugations are there. Here only one hyperconjugation is there. Okay, that's why. Next, fourth, रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन. ठीक है, अभी तक हम कार्बोकेटायन कैसे प्रिपेयर होता है, मीन्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन वी डिस्कस. नाउ आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन व्हाट विल हैपन? द रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन आर कार्बेनियम आयन names. Carbenium ion is the correct name. Next, so whenever carbocation is there, the adjacent, if adjacent hydrogen is there or any good living groups are there, then those are living and forming double bonds. Okay, here depends on the catalyst, of course. One is, this is the one of the probability we can say. Okay, proton lose ऐसा भी हो सकता है, फॉर्मिंग मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स. नेक्स्ट, ऐसा भी हो सकता है इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियोफाइल, दिस न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल अटैक. न्यूक्लियोफाइल मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस वाला. दिस विल अटैक एंड फॉर्मिंग न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ये भी हो सकता है दिस इलेक्ट्रोफाइल विल अटैक ऑन द अनसैचुरेटेड group, like in the benzene and alkene and alkyne, this. So then also this is also one of the chemical property. Next, molecular rearrangement. This is a very important again. Okay, molecular rearrangement. Carbocation would undergo a molecular rearrangement when it could produce a more stable carbocation. By changing this hydrogen, by shifting this hydrogen, if it is get more stable carbocation, then the migration takes place. So here hydride shift, this hydrogen living as H minus. Okay, so why it is living? Because it is a primary carbocation, it is a secondary carbocation. We know that tertiary, secondary, primary, the carbocation stability order. That's why this hydrogen shifted. Then suppose if you take the second example, here there is no hydrogen but methyl is there. By shifting this methyl from primary to tertiary is there, so in that case migration takes place. So tertiary carbocation is more stable. Okay, next, here methyl is there and phenyl is there. What is the migration order? In this case of shift of as follows: phenyl shift is higher then hydride shift, then methyl shift. So phenyl, then H minus, then methyl. Okay, CH3 minus, pH minus. This is the order you have to remember. Though here phenyl shift is there. Next, abstract of hydride ion. Abstraction means attracting, we can say. Abstraction of hydride ion. So here carbocation is there and the next tertiary hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen is taking here and forming here stable carbocation. Okay, this is also one of the type to form carbocation. So now in this class we learned types of carbocations, first point, then stability of carbocation, then third one is formation of carbocation, then fourth one is properties, chemical properties chemical properties of carbocation, means how the carbocation is behave. Okay, what are the possibilities are there in that only this migration, these all things we discuss. In the next class we can discuss carbanium ion, carbene ion, sorry, this is carbonium, IUM, EM कभी भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज को होता है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास कार्बेन आयन वी विल डिस्कस. बाय. Everyone subscribe the channel, you will get new videos notification.